welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really, really well. There's a cat. I've got a Degustabox. I forgot that I'd ordered this. I think I ordered this in like July and it was like a pre-order. But I can't find anything online of how much it costs. But I've just looked on my payments and it was either $13.99 or $19.99. Because I had the selection box as well. They were like 2 one-off Degustaboxes. But this is the cold one. It's come. It's very heavy. And it kind of looks like it's exploded a bit. So Ben saw that it was food and wanted to help me unbox it. So we'll have a look. But yeah, either $19.99 or $13.99. Not a fucking clue. But I did look on their website just now and they have got an advent calendar again this year. So let me know if you want me to get it. Thinking he's in charge of stuff. So it's come by courier again, but it's like, because it's all cold stuff, it's got like this weird
marathon blanket.
So oh, I think something may have exploded because I can smell. Don't take anything out yet. So it's the cold box. I'm just going to grab stuff as there's loads of leaflets and things. The first thing I've got. Oh, I was going to get you these the other day and I feel like one of them may have exploded because it feels quite cold and squashed and I can smell it. Yeah.
One of them has collapsed on top of another
Oh,
one.
lovely. So that's some nice, we like that, that's lovely. Ari's dirty trousers. I'll just wipe them on there.
The dirty pants.
No pants. Don't wipe it on me, you fucking twat. So these are Muller Light Crunch Strawberry Cheesecake Inspired Yogurt. Yeah, I was going to buy you these because Ben loves cheesecake. Creamy cheesecake and soft biscuit crumble. 99 calories or less. And they're also available in toffee flavour. So you got some yogurts. A ball of...
Jizz.
Yeah, a jizz ball. Thanks. We've got more cheesecake. These are Over the Spoon Zingy Lemon Cheesecake. Dairy free.
Both of them.
So they're gluten-free biscuit base layered with zingy lemon curd topped with thick creamy Sicilian lemon mousse. £2 for those. What is... Oh my god, is this... Are they fucking serious? Like, everything has exploded.
That's been crushed, hasn't it?
This is literally... Oh my god. This, I think, is cocoa plain yogurt alternative. Dairy-free cocoa plain yogurt. I think that's what this is. So I will be... Just take a picture of this because I want my phone so we can at least... Because I'm not paying for this. That's ridiculous. Even if it was only like 14 quid or whatever. Do you want to take a picture of the jizz ball and the...
Smashed yogurt.
Smashed yogurt. Just go pop that in the sink, Bender.
The sink or the bin?
The bin, actually, yeah. Ugh. You've got like the ice packs and stuff. This was delivered about 4 hours ago. Oh, gross. Lovely stuff. I like to show the truth. Normally, they're really good with their deliveries, but obviously something's gone fucking miss here, hasn't it? And they've crushed the box. Okay. Right, Bender, get your legs back under there. Right, next. Let's hope we've got something that's not exploded. Oh, we've got a tagliatelle carbonara, classic Italian recipe kit.
It's garnished with yogurt.
Garnished with yogurt on the top. Let's just wipe that off. This is £4. Whip up the perfect al dente pasta in minutes with our fresh egg pasta. So the kit includes fresh egg tagliatelle, fresh carbonara sauce with pancetta, herbs and parmesan to garnish. That's really nice, but £4 is a lot when you could literally make the carbonara. All you need for carbonara is like egg yolks, pasta, bacon or ham and parmesan. So, excuse me. Next, we've got something else that is covered in yogurt. Holy moly guacamole. 100% natural ingredients, just like homemade. Worship the dip. This is £2. Our original guacamole contains the very best sun-ripened Hass avocados, grown on a family-owned orchard in the heart of Mexico. Each avocado is hand-picked, and it is combined with tomato, red onion, jalapeno, chili, lime, a pinch of salt, coriander, and a tiny bit of garlic. So yeah. Oh, don't! It's just white fucking yogurt on me, you fucking twat. Ugh.
What's this one on the list?
It's a block of ice. I've already shown them the ice because that's how it comes cold, you melon. Sake. These are his manky pants. Right, next up, we've got some What the Cluck. Oh my god, that looks fucking disgusting. Yeah, literally, that looks
vegetarian, soy-based
horrendous. Like, I'm just going to do a little disclaimer. This looks fucking hideous, doesn't it?
Looks like animal food.
Turned my stomach. Like, that looks absolutely repulsive. Ugh, no, thank you.
It's like raw dominant.
Okay, so that is the Vegetarian Butcher, £2.75. We've been able to recreate the same clucking great flavour without the use of chicken or eggs. Some say that these chunks taste more like chicken than chicken. What the Cluck chunks are 100% vegan and the Vegetarian Butcher's flagship product. Well, I'd probably try and alter
I shan't be buying shares in them.
No, that looks... No. I love veggie and vegan alternatives to meat, but that looks fucking disgusting. So... no, thank you. Please. Oh, is this broken as well?
No, I think this is just for cold.
I think this is an Indian
non-yogurted.
I think this is an Indian sweet potato and coconut dal super soup. I think. So it's
sturdy.
Nice soup. That's lovely. That'll get eaten. Sweet potato and coconut dal. That sounds like something that I'd really like. I'm not sure. You like it when I make them, don't you? But I think you'd go out of your way to eat one, would you?
I quite like these big soups.
Next we've got Benacol, proven to lower cholesterol, original soft cheese, lactose free. Soft cheese will always get eaten in this house. Ben has like thick sandwiches with cream cheese in, which just grosses me out. Cholesterol lowering original soft fat cheese with plant stanols, whatever the fuck that is. Gluten free, free from artificial colours, lactose free, suitable for vegetarians. Sounds nice. Jeez. What is it? Raw Defense Mockingbird Smoothie. Right, so this is mango, passion fruit, acerola cherry, carrot, orange, celery, and vitamins A and C. Right, let's try it. This is... oh, there's the different ones you can get. You'd either get raw greens, raw boost, or raw defense. And they're £2.69 each. Raw fruit and vegetable smoothies crafted with superfoods and cold pressed. Our unique small batch process retains the raw integrity of our food. One's green, one's purple, and one's orange. So, what is my face going to do, Bender? Try and act out my face.
I think you'll have the What the Cluck face.
Do you think that was like with all the chins?
You look a bit clucky.
What does it smell? Ugh. Stinks. I don't like the smell of it.
You've got to.
Don't want
Should we get a shot glass?
I don't want to. Ugh. I don't like it. No, I don't like it. It's the initial bit. The end taste is orange juice, but it's the initial something I think it's carroty. I don't really like juice and smoothies though. Ben does.
This is just mango-y passion fruit.
No, Ben likes all juices and stuff like that. I'm not a fan.
That one,
but
we'll put that with the yogurt.
And then the last thing we've got is a salted caramel made with Malden sea salt milkshake, I think. This is not covered in yogurt. Get off. Oh, so the Mockingbird ones, there was either green, which was kiwi, pear, kale, spinach, broccoli and apple. That would have been nice. Strawberry, blackcurrant, acai berry, beetroot, spinach, kale and vitamins. Fuck off! Not bad. This is £1.35 and it is a milkshake.
Yeah.
I will just chuck it on you. The night garden's going to start in a minute. You think I won't throw it at you?
Yeah. Just giving the viewers what they want.
Twat. It's nice. Nice.
Delicious. I shall have a bit more. Got the review over.
You're a bellend. No, it's mine. I like it.
I've seen the moo cow on the front. I saw them the other day actually.
I don't think it's around here. You want a wipe? Okay, Bender. Oh, fixed. So yeah, what was your review on that? No, don't, because I've got to do another video. What was your review on this?
Mostly
shit.
Bit smashy.
The chicken, that.
Chicken in there. Guacamole looks quite nice.
Yeah, the guacamole will look nice. The carbonara will definitely
These will
get
be
used.
eaten after I get some crisps for the guacamole. And let's see. These,
I think you will.
You won't build a house out of these.
No, don't build a house out of yogurts.
They don't. They're not load-bearing yogurts.
They look quite wobbly.
I think you need to have some reinforcements.
Maybe a cheesecake in there rather than a pretend
That'd be
cheesecake.
ridiculous.
No, look, these are sturdy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just the throw box.
So yeah, everything will get everything
Well, that
that
one's
isn't
okay.
disgusting.
It's just the bottom of
yeah,
that.
will get used. But it's just annoying that it's come crushed.
The worst thing was the big pot yogurt.
Oh yeah, the big pot of yogurt as well.
No, well, this actually is nearly burst open.
The yeah, that's nearly popped as well. So I'm gonna message Degustabox and see what they say. They'll probably just tell me to fuck off because I don't give them nice reviews, which is why I don't get PR, but that's fine. Yeah. I'm going to go and drink my milkshake. Ben's going to go and eat the contents of the box. The camera's just shit its pants. Doesn't know what to fucking focus on. Yeah. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Love you. Bye.